video tour here on the Star of the Sea, cabin 14628. This is on the starboard side, and we'll begin that tour right about now. All right, 14628. All right. All right, as you can see, we are definitely right at midship. So our elevators are really about the same distance away. And then we have our restroom. I'll just let you enjoy the music as I show you around. This is your lighting, and you can set it up for whatever you want. Changes the brightness of the lights. Now, one of the things that there is not a lot of, and that is storage. You do have your little bins down here for your shoes and stuff. And then you have a little closet here. Have your table, and you got some drawers here. You got your one USB-C, your one USB, and then a plug, your 120 plug. Got your mini fridge, and I do mean mini fridge. Very cold in there though, I have to give it that. Got your bed. You do have a USB port by the bed. Always check the phone for one. Does not have one. Full length couch. Your bed, naturally. Pretty big screen TV. A little bit of shelving right here between the wall. And over here you have a, which is good for me, a 110 plug and a USB port. We got one of my favorite places, the balcony. And what's good about it is we're covered. So if it's raining, it's awesome. We can come out here. And your overall. And then if you look here, you got a hidden USB and a USB-C in those little shelves. Alrighty, pretty nice. Wish you had a little more storage, but that's fine.